The day in the life of a Windura installer, first of all, they're going to start here at our building at 7 o'clock. And we're gonna do a couple of things. Some of the team's gonna be out back in the warehouse. They're going to empty the trucks, get things ready from the day before. The leads on the team, there's a lead assigned to each team. They're gonna be back in the conference room with our installation director and talking about strategy. At 7:15, everybody meets in the conference room and strategize for the day, which is kind of cool. It's a nice cultural element, brings everybody together. And then if we have any problems we've got to solve, we can solve them right here on site before we go out to the customer's house. As an installer, you're helping get the day ready, loading our trucks, finding what windows we're going to do for the day, and then you're heading out to the job site. We try to land at the customer's home by 8:30, 8:15, 8:30 every single day, so you know exactly what to expect. And from there, our team is going to start by prepping the house. It's both inside and outside, trying to take care of the home, protecting the floors, protecting the bushes, and then setting up scaffolding, ladders, whatever's needed to get to the window. Once we've done all that, we're gonna start removing the window. We're gonna measure to make sure we've got the right size window, remove the old window, install, retrim, caulk, and typically we're gonna get through, depending on the size of the team, we're gonna get through 2 to 3 windows in a day, button up, clean up at the end of the day, and then our team typically ends about 3 o'clock is the end of their 8-hour day. Each team is assigned the project for the day. So whatever team that you have, they're only gonna be working on your project. The next day, you're gonna see the same team over and over again until the project is finished. They're gonna get there at 8:15, 8:30, talk to the customer, explain what we're doing, what our plan is for the day, how long we're gonna be there, what windows we're gonna work on, and take any questions. And sometimes customers will have questions about the installation, or you've got a dog running around, or you've got somewhere you need to be, and we can help manage around that at that time during that initial meeting. And our team leads will do that every single morning. So you get to know that person, and they get to know you while they're in your house installing your windows and doors.